Have you ever felt like you're not good enough? Like all your achievements are just a fluke and sooner or later everyone will find out you're not as capable as they think you are? If so, you're not alone. What you're experiencing is called imposter syndrome, and today we're going to dive deep into what it is, why it happens, and most importantly, how you can overcome it. Imposter syndrome is a psychological pattern where individuals doubt their accomplishments and have a persistent fear of being exposed as a fraud. Despite external evidence of their competence, they believe they're not truly deserving of their success. It doesn't matter how successful you are or how much you've achieved, imposter syndrome can affect anyone. Students, professionals, creatives, even CEOs. When you're dealing with imposter syndrome, certain questions start to dominate your thoughts. You might find yourself asking things like, 1. Am I really good enough to be doing this? 2. Do I deserve the success I've achieved? 3. What if people find out I'm not as capable as they think I am? 4. How long can I keep this up before I'm exposed as a fraud? 5. Why can't I be as confident and competent as others in my field? 6. Is my success just a result of luck or external factors, rather than my own skills? 7. Why do I feel like I don't belong here, even when others say I do? 8. What if I fail and prove to everyone that I was never really good enough? 9. Am I just pretending to be something I'm not? And 10. Why do I dismiss my achievements as insignificant or unworthy of recognition? These are powerful, often paralyzing questions. But here's the thing. Just because you ask these questions doesn't mean they're true. Let's explore how we can start to challenge them. Imposter syndrome often stems from deep-rooted beliefs about ourselves. Maybe you were raised to believe that perfection is the only acceptable outcome, or you've been comparing yourself to others for as long as you can remember. Understanding where these feelings come from is the first step toward overcoming them. Ask yourself, are you setting unrealistic expectations for yourself? Are you constantly comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel? Are you afraid of failing and letting others down? Now that we know what imposter syndrome is and where it comes from, let's talk about some practical ways to overcome it. 1. Acknowledge your feelings. Accept that it's normal to feel this way sometimes, but remember, feelings aren't facts. 2. Document your achievements. Keep a journal of your successes, big or small. Reviewing these can help you see your true capabilities. 3. Stop comparing. Focus on your journey. Everyone's path is different, and comparison only breeds dissatisfaction. 4. Talk about it. Open up to trusted friends, mentors, or colleagues. You'll find that many people share similar feelings. 5. Set realistic goals. Break down your tasks into manageable steps and celebrate each milestone. 6. Reframe your thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negative thoughts, challenge them. Replace, I'm not good enough with, I'm learning and growing. 7. Seek professional help. Sometimes talking to a therapist or counselor can provide valuable insights and coping mechanisms. Remember, you're not alone in this. Imposter syndrome might make you feel isolated, but it's something many people experience, even those who seem the most successful. The key is to recognize it for what it is, a challenge that you can overcome. So the next time you find yourself questioning your worth, take a deep breath, remind yourself of your strengths, and keep moving forward. You're more capable than you realize. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. What strategies have helped you overcome self-doubt? Thanks for watching. And remember, you've got this.